Item number 7. It's Mr. Lewis. NZTA funding.
Your Worship, over the past 12 months, the NZTA has been undertaking a review of the funding assistance rate, the FAR, which is essentially the subsidy that territorial local authorities receive for roading works. They have completed that review and recently announced what the new funding assistance rates are going to be, and that's set out in my report. Essentially, Taupo District, sorry, I'll go back a step, within the transport activity, traditionally there's been a number of different activities that have been funded at different FARs. The standard road maintenance type activities at 43%, community road safety at 53%, capital works at 53%, and special purpose roads, which we have one in this district, Hooker Falls Road, at 100%. Under the new FAR system, excuse me, the funding assistance rate will rise to about 52% for all activities throughout the district. The capital works, so the minor improvements, the special purpose roads and the community road safety will not be moved for another 3 years, and there's still a little bit of negotiation to occur on those. The road maintenance will occur from 2015. So the impact on council's funding sources is dependent, based on the draft 2015 roading program, would be in the vicinity of receiving an extra couple of $100,000 in funding assistance from NZTA.
Good news. Okay. Thanks, Dennis. Any questions or queries, Dennis, on that particular one? Councillor Johns?
Just a very small one, Mr. Lewis. We also, I see, get a flat fee to administer.
That is correct.
Do you have any idea whether that will be favourable as well, or is it likely to swing that way?
I've just about written that word from word out of what NZTA advised. We have no idea. It came as a little bit out of the blue, actually.
Okay, so, no, it's just that sometimes it's rob Peter and pay Paul.
And that's why I put down, we currently receive about $100,000, so I've included that to give an indication of the impact that it might have in its region.
And appreciate that you signalled that, because that is good.
Just for your information, the special purpose road, Hooker Falls Road, that will eventually drop down to the 53%, but currently we're spending in the order of $6,000 per annum, and I've mentioned that in the report as well, so it's not expected to have any significant impact.
Councillor Body?
What then makes Hooker Falls Road a special road?
Hooker Falls Road was generally the special purpose roads are those roads that were state highways that provided access to specific dock reserves or places of particular tourist interest. Hooker Falls Road was the state highway 20 or 30 years ago. It provides access to the Hooker Falls, which is a particular tourist activity. Other examples of special purpose roads is the Bruce Road up Mount Ruapehu and the roads that are up Mount Taranaki. Those sorts of roads are typically special purpose.
Thank you.
Thank you. Councillor Park?
I'd just like to move the resolution.
Thank you, Councillor Park. Seconded by Councillor Harvey. All those in favour, please say aye.
Aye.
Those against, carried.